Hello friends, and today we are going to complete present tense. I have already explained the structure of present indefinite tense, present continuous tense and present perfect tense in the previous videos. I hope you have seen those videos, and now we are moving to the fourth structure, that is present perfect continuous tense. And the structure is subject plus has have plus been V4 plus since for plus object. We can understand, like present perfect was has have V3. This is perfect and continuous. Continuous means ing form, right? So ing form here V4 and perfect, so has have V3. Has have, instead of V3 we will use been. Been is also in fact a kind of V3, right? Here it is used in the form of auxiliary verb. So subject plus has have, been plus V4 plus since for. Why since or for here? Because there is reference or mention of time. So due to time there is since or for. So it's very easy to remember subject plus has have, been V4 plus object plus since for plus time. Now the question arises where to use has and where to use have. I have already told you in the previous videos, with singular subjects we use has, I mean he, she, it, name, singular. And with plural subjects we use have, that is I, we, you, they, plural. And now there is one more problem here with which subjects or with what time we use since and when we use for. So let's clear it. Since is used, since का प्रयोग आपका होगा point of time के लिए. Since will be used for point of time and for will be used for period of time. Now try to understand what is point of time and what is period of time. Point of time refers here, point, कोई particular time, and here this is period, means any duration. Like in Hindi song you must have heard, दिन महीने साल निकलते जाएंगे. You must have heard that. दिन महीने साल समय अवस्था पहर. Right? So simply remember the song and it will be clear to you. दिन का नाम Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. महीने का नाम, month name January, February, March. वर्ष का नाम 2021, 1992, etc. O'clock, I mean 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Childhood, this is, I said दिन महीने साल समय अवस्था. This is childhood, adulthood. Pahar means it's morning, evening. You can also add yesterday. There may be yesterday also, yesterday. Then 2 days, 3 days, weeks. This is for period, right? You are not taking any particular name. Particular name then since, and if it is a duration, then we use for. 2 days, 3 days, weeks, hours, 4 minutes, etc. Let's have a practice. 3 दिनों से, 3 दिनों से, then for 3 days. सुबह से, since morning. कल से, since yesterday. 5 दिनों से, 4-5 days. So this way it is clear to you. Now let's see. मैं वर्षों से अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Now see the difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous. The difference is that when something is happening continuously in the present time, like for example I am walking, so this is continuous action, right? But when any action started in the past and is continuously going on in the present, कोई काम पास्ट में शुरू हुआ लेकिन प्रेजेंट में भी कंटिन्यूअसली जारी है, तो दैट साइड ऑफ सेंटेंस इज फ्रेम्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. लाइक मैं वर्षों से अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रहा हूँ. आई स्टार्टेड टीचिंग लॉन्ग अगो एंड इवन नाउ ऑल्सो आई एम टीचिंग. सो इट विल बी फ्रेम्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस एंड टाइम इज मेंशन. कोई ना कोई टाइम का रेफरेंस होगा, या डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, आई मीन इधर रिटन और इट्स हिडन. वर्षों से, तो 4 years. आई के साथ आई हैव बीन टीचिंग इंग्लिश फॉर years. Now she has been ill since Sunday, right? See, there are some adjectives. Well, this sentence can be even called on present perfect tense because there is no ing form over here. So it will be framed like this. वह सोमवार से सॉरी संडे से बीमार है, तो शी हैज़ बिन इल सिंस संडे। एनी अदर एडजेक्टिव्स लाइक एब्सेंट, नॉटी, इंटेलिजेंट, वो 4 दिनों से एब्सेंट हैं, तो ही हैज़ बिन एब्सेंट फॉर 4 days. You cannot say he has been absenting or she has been ailing. You cannot say that. Adjectives will remain adjective, or even noun can also be used. जैसे मैं कई वर्षों से शिक्षक हूँ, तो I have been. Instead of V4, you can use noun or any adjective. I have been a teacher for several years. This way it can go. Now negative, very simple. After has, have, not you will put. So I have not been teaching for years. For interrogative, what to do? Has, have will be placed in the beginning of the sentence. Like, have I been teaching for years? She has been singing a song. She has not been singing a song. Has she been singing a song? Had she not been singing a song? Affirmative, negative, interrogative rule will remain the same as before. Now, see, let's have a practice of one sentence with all the structures. Like, he takes exercise. He is taking exercise. He has taken exercise, and he has been taking exercise since morning. Right? वह किताब पढ़ता है. He reads a book. वह किताब पढ़ रहा है. He is reading a book. Now वह किताब पढ़ चुका है, वह किताब पढ़ा है, तो he has read a book. Read is third form. He has read a book. Now he has been reading a book for 3 hours. This way we can frame sentences. This is all the structures of present tense. I hope it must be clear to you, right? So this is the end of present tense.